What's going on, Lint lovers? It's Mark with Kathy behind the camera. So today we are doing the over-under game. So it's been a couple of weeks. This is what we got in the bin. And this was completely empty before we just did the Big Berthas. So let's see what we got here. Oh, it's thick. It's thick. So that thing is completely full just from the Big Berthas. So I'm gonna take off this huge hunk first. It's pretty thick. Look at that. You ready for some taps? Are you ready? Are you ready for some taps? All right, here we go. Oh, it is thick. It is coming out. Look at that. Man, look at all that. We'll do two more, and I'm going to get out the fingers. There's that. Coming in close for these fingers. I've been working really hard to get in there. Look at those. Anytime I get really up high in there, I can get my fingers in there. That's what the people love. Look at that. And it's packed. It's real tight, but then it leaves that hole completely open. I used to just do quick fingers, and I can. Ooh. But I get a little more satisfaction. It feels so good pulling those out of there and watching that hole open up like that. Just like that one. See that? Because it gets clogged all along this rim. Do about 4 more, maybe a few more. We'll spin it, see if I find something. These are good. Didn't get that one, did I? Oh yeah, there it is. 3 more. Yeah. I just love the way it opens it up. Could take the whole filter off sometime and do the bottom too, but. All right, let's do a couple more. A couple of bonus fingers. This one's really thick. That's all out of one crack right there. All right, a couple more. Oh yeah, I think it's pretty clean. Let's do one more. Oh yeah, I'm really digging. Oh, look at that. Done with that. Let's get a clean out here. So pretty full, a little fluffy on top, but we had a busy week for sure. So I think it's going to be an easy game of over under. You can see right here where it's all clogged coming in. It was almost done. So that is thick. Some kind of like stuffed animal. See that? It's like wool. Less linty, more woolly. Call it as I see it. So a little bit dirty. Look at that. Some paper clips. Always something going on. So the game is over under 6 pounds. I don't think we've been under in a while. And based on the last couple of weeks we've had, I can't imagine. But you guys make your own call. You tell me. How's it looking, Kathy?
Looking good.
Someday I'm gonna wear gloves and blow everyone's mind. That's what I'm gonna do. So, all right, just a little bit there in the bottom. Get that all tapped out. Let's see if I can lift it. Six. Some of that was pretty fluffy. I don't think it's our biggest week ever as far as lint goes. Go to the scale. Meet me there. Push up to the scale. All right, here we are at the scale. I mean, we had our biggest week, but I don't think this is our biggest week as far as lint goes. So what do you think? Definitely, I'm saying definitely over 6. But
I think it's over 6.
all right, let's see. We're all
What was our biggest? Do you know? Remember?
7.7, I think.
Okay.
Not that I'm memorizing lint facts, but
Okay.
all right, you ready?
Yes. Ready?
Oh, I knew it was
Oh.
close. 6.35. So we had a huge couple of weeks here at the business, but I think a lot of it was residential, which does not produce this type of lint. This is mostly from our commercial accounts. So still over 6 pounds. I hope you guessed right, but we're gonna put a tag on it and we'll take it over there, put it on the wall of lint, and then we will see what we add up to. So I hope you guys enjoyed the over-under game today. Have a great day. Thanks.